this video we are going to see how to draw the line using the line command in Autocad. So here the line command can be found in the draw toolbar. You can see here this is the line command. You can just click on that line and then line appears, or else you can enter in the command window, or here in the cursor itself you can just type the line, L-I-N-E, or you can just type L, line to draw. Okay, now it is asking specify first point. So you need to specify the first point of line, that is starting point of the line, or you can just click anywhere on this drawing area, or you can just type the x and y coordinate in the screen. I'm just clicking here and now it has started. And now specify next point. We can specify the next point by just clicking, or if you want to draw with some dimensions, or you can just enter the dimensions in the command window. Or 100 mm line, you can draw 100 mm line, or you can draw it without any restriction of angle. You just press enter. Or if you want to draw with some angle, you can specify the angle by just pressing the tab button, and if you press the tab button, that will go into the angle tab. And now you can specify the angle 45 degree or any other angle, 30 degree, then press again tab, and now you can see the line which is at 30 degree inclination, and you can specify the length of that line, or you can specify the next point wherever you want it. I'll specify as 100 mm line. So now you can see, and now that is asking specify next point. You can specify the next point by just clicking, or else you can also draw by taking a object snap. So here in the object snap, like we have a parallel, and now this is the midpoint. You can see that midpoint, and this is the end point of the line, and somewhere between, like intersection of the line, you can see here. I'll draw at the midpoint of this line, and now we can see that the line has drawn to that midpoint. And then you can end the line by pressing escape key or press enter key to end the line. And now we have drawn the lines using line command in Autocad. You can try more drawing by using this line command.